back to my channel. My name is DEMIYA. If you're new here, this hair is from Nadula hair, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. This is their 26-inch straight lace front wig. It's a 13x6 and it's 150% density, so it's kind of on the thinner side, but I feel like with the front bangs, the density of the wig looks good. I feel like the bangs balance it out. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. This is how the wig looks. Let me take this out. Like I said before, this is 26 inches, pretty long. And as y'all can see, I already went ahead and did my ball cap method just to save time. I don't think it's focusing properly, but yeah. It looks like the knots are bleached a little bit, like they attempted to do it, but didn't really do it. Like the knots look brown and some spots look blonde. I didn't have time to bleach the knots, so I'm just gonna apply makeup, and it also came with a wig cap and a headband. Before I apply any makeup, I'm gonna try the wig on. This wig fits my head perfectly. This hair is really nice, feels nice. My hairline is like, my forehead is bigger in the middle and like lower on the sides, so I always have to push the middle of my wig hairline back. I don't know what type of lace this is, because yeah, they didn't send me a little pamphlet with the details. I'm going off of the email. I think it's like a light brown lace. This is not a tutorial, y'all. Yeah, applying wigs is not my ministry, at least not right now. I'm still learning. I'm taking this matte and poreless Fit Me foundation in the color 368. I'm just gonna apply this all on the inside of the wig because yeah, I didn't have time to bleach the knots. I'm gonna get better with doing this wig thing, I promise. Putting the wigs on and actually making more informative videos. But as for right now, your girl is a novice. All right, so that's the inside of the wig. I'm gonna set that foundation with this foundation powder, and it is 360 Mocha. And if you're applying foundation, you want to use one that is not oil based, because you know oil and these products don't mix together. These combs are sewed in, baby. They do not want to come out. Yeah, applying that makeup really helped. Alright y'all, so we're gonna try this again. I'm a bad bitch, you can't kill me. I'm just debating if I want to use glue or not, because this is not gonna be on my head forever. Yeah, I'm not gonna use glue. I'm just gonna use this Got2b spray. You're the only one who can fight it tonight. Cutting a front bang in this hair because this lace is not gonna stress me out. I'm pressed for time. If this was any other day, I would just, you know, work with it. but I'm really pressed for time. Y'all probably like, what the fuck is going on? I'm trying to figure that out too. I'm gonna come back because y'all just watching me do the same thing over and over, and I don't even know what I'm doing. So yeah, quite frankly, I'm tired of working on this wig. It's been like 2 hours, nothing is changing. This lace won't stick down, and I've never had problems laying down lace with Got2b free spray, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't want to blame the lace because maybe it's something that I'm doing, but I'm not gonna keep stressing myself out about it. I'm just gonna move on. I don't want it to be like harsh bangs. I want it to flow into the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna take it slow with how I'm cutting, because you cannot get this length back. And I'm twisting the hair like this because I can't cut how I cut this side with my right hand. So by me twisting the hair, I can, you know, get the same cut, but at a better angle. Hair keep getting in my eye. So it's still too long. I'm just trying not to go too short because I ain't trying to be looking like Beyonce when she on that wig. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And watch wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain.
I want to know who decided bangs were cute. Like, who's the first person to sit there and chop the front of their hair off?
Deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
I'm gonna add some layers to the side. I feel like it needs to be a little bit like fringier, so I'm gonna point cut it some more. I'm so tired of cutting his hair. I'm feeling his hair way more now that I've done my makeup. I swear, don't be that the hairstyle be like bad. It's just that you're not used to it and you don't feel cute, so you got to do your makeup so you can feel cute. But yeah, I love it now. I'm gonna insert some videos like so you can see the full length of this hair. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm glad I tried something new. I have had front bangs since 2018, I think my junior year in college. So yeah, the lace on this wig wasn't agreeing with me, but I'm not sure if it's the hair or me not knowing how to lay lace properly. But yeah, it just wasn't agreeing with me. Or it could be the products that I use. It could be my makeup and the freeze spray not, you know, working together. And this is 150 density. I feel like this will look a little bit better if it was like 200, 250 density. But it still looks nice. I will say I did a good job at getting this flat and cutting the bangs. Even though I couldn't, you know, get the lace right, I'm glad I had a backup plan, because yeah, this was really gonna go to shit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Nadula here. I will have a coupon code on the screen for y'all. Yeah, I didn't forget my code this time. I just don't have it yet, so it'll be on the screen. And turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye y'all.
Ooh.